Hello friends, good morning all of you. Here I am Gadekar Sachin Pandit. Today we are discuss a hybridization such as hybridization of DSP3 or SP3D types of hybridization. Okay. So such as trigonal bipyramidal geometry of hybridization. Okay. So last lecture we are discussed a type of hybridization. There are different types of hybridization we are discussed. First, discuss a linear type or diagonal type of hybridization, such as SP hybridization. It in which involves a BeH2, barium hydride, barium fluoride, barium chloride, etc. Next, we are discussed a trigonal hybridization, such as sp2 hybridization. Okay, trigonal geometry of hybridization, sp2, in which involves a boron trifluoride, boron trichloride, ethylene molecule. Okay, so in this molecule forms a sp2 hybridization, trigonal sp2 hybridization. Also discussed a tetrahedral geometry, such as tetrahedral hybridization involves a sp3 type of hybridization, in which we discuss a example such as methane molecule, ethane molecule, tetracarbonyl nickel, tetraamine zinc, and tetrachloromanganese complex. We discussed a tetrachloromanganese complex forms a tetrahedral complex. Okay, tetrahedral geometry. Okay, so this is the sp3 types of hybridization. Okay, so also we discuss a hybridization involving d orbital. Okay, so last lecture we discussed a hybridization involving s and p orbitals, such as sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization. Okay, then discussed a involving d orbitals, such as dsp2 type of hybridization. This involves a square planar type of hybridization. Okay, so in this square planar type of hybridization, we discussed a tetracyanonickel complex, tetrachloroplatinum complex, okay, tetrachloropalladium complex, diamine dichloroplatinate, cisplatin or transplatin involves a square planar type of hybridization. sp3 types, sp2 types of hybridization. Okay, so this discussed in last lecture. So today we are discuss a trigonal bipyramidal such as DSP3, DSP3 or SP3D type of hybridization. Okay, so in this DSP3 hybridization or SP3D or hybridization involves a PCl5 type of hybridization, vanadium pentafluoro types of hybridization, formation of pentacarbonyl iron in this molecule involves in this molecule are forms a DSP3 type of hybridization. Okay, such as here hybridization using d orbital. Okay, they may be inner orbital use, they may be outer orbitals use. Okay, so here there are different shape of orbitals, such as s orbital has a spherical shape, p orbital has a dumbbell shape and d orbitals dumbbell as well as diffuse. Okay, so here px, py, pz, p types of orbitals and involves a d, p, px, pz and dx square, dyz square as well as dz square type of d orbital. Okay, so these dsp or spd involves to forms a square planar complex, trigonal bipyramidal complex and octahedral complex. Okay, so this type of hybridization depends on involving a orbitals. Okay, dsp2 hybridization at that time forms a square planar complex. Okay, so dsp3 types of hybridization involves a trigonal bipyramidal types, octahedral complex, etc. Okay, so hybridization depends on the involving orbitals. So here we discuss a dsp3 or sp3d type of hybridization. Okay, what is the difference between dsp3 hybridization and sp3d hybridization? Okay, so if inner shell orbitals used in hybridization at that time forms a dsp3 types of hybridization. If outer shell orbitals d, okay, d orbitals in complex outer shell d orbitals involved in a hybridization to form say sp3d hybridization. Okay, so what is the definition of sp3d hybridization? Okay, so in this dsp3 types of hybridization involves a the process of mixing and recasting of or redistribution of one d orbital, one d orbital, one s orbital and three p orbitals of nearly same to forms a new equivalent set of dsp3 hybrid energy orbitals equivalent energy and maximum symmetry is called dsp3 hybridization. Okay, that is 1d, 1s and 3 orbitals, 3p orbitals involves in a hybridization. These orbital mixing and recasting, okay, to forms a new hybrid energy, equivalent energy. Okay, so it's called a dsp3 types of hybridization. Other hand, the mixing of 1s, 3p and dz orbitals to forms a equivalent 5 set of energy orbital is called dsp3 or sp3d hybridization. So here in dsp3 type of hybridization involves a 2 set of hybrid orbitals. Okay, one is the equatorial and second is the axial. Okay, so in this dsp3 hybridization type of hybridization to forms a trigonal bipyramidal shape is called tbp hybridization, trigonal bipyramidal hybridization. Okay, so 5 hybrid orbitals are divided into 2 sets. One is the equatorial and second is the axial. So in this equatorial set of hybridization, in this support to forms a mixing 1 s and 2 p orbitals in which a p such as px and py orbitals is called sp2 hybrid orbitals. Okay, so these directed towards the corner of trigonal in a plane making an angle 120 degree one another. Okay, so another is the axial set. Okay, so these axial set in this set support to be forms a mixing of pz. Okay, remember that in axial set suppose to be forms a mixing of pz orbital and one dz square orbital. It's called dp type of hybrid orbitals. Okay, these two equivalent hybrid orbitals axis directed along the axis which make a angle of 180 degree with one another, but 90 degree to the other set of means set of equivalent orbit. Okay, so here hybridization of dsp3 or sp3d involves in a formation of PCl3 types of molecule, formation of vanadium pentafluoride. In this we use a dsp3 types of hybridization. So pentacarbonyl iron complex involves a dsp3 types of hybridization. Okay, and molecule forms a trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Okay, so this trigonal bipyramidal geometry depends on involving orbital such as involves a 1s and 2p in equatorial set of hybridization, equatorial set of orbit, and second is the d and p is such as pz orbitals and dz square orbital involves to form a axial set, and these equatorial and axial to form a trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Okay, suppose here one example, solve example, formation of pentacarbonyl iron complex. Okay, so in this pentacarbonyl iron use a iron metal. Okay, so what is the electronic configuration, what is the atomic number of iron in free state? 26. Okay, so what is the electronic configuration, outer shell electronic configuration of iron metal? It is 4s2 3d6 4p0. Okay, so in this molecule iron is a zero oxidation state because of neutral carbonyl ligand. Okay, so here according to electronic configuration, iron atoms in the ground state, there are 4 unpaired electrons. Okay, so it can form say 4 bond, but according to VBT, okay, according to VBT, electronic configuration of iron to form say 4 unpaired electron and forms 4 bond, but iron forms 5 bonds according to hybridization. Iron atom forms a 5 bonds in iron pentacarbonyl because it involves a hybrid orbitals. Thus, there appears a discrepancy between expected and observed covalency of iron. In order to account the observed covalency, it suggests that both the electron of 4s orbital. Okay, so 4s orbital of iron atom be pushed into the 3d orbital, promoted in 3d orbital, because of carbonyl is a strong field ion. So they will be paired, and then it suggests that iron atom undergo dsp3 hybridization with the 1 3d 1 4s and 3 p orbitals are involved. Okay, so carbonyl donate 2 electron to form a coordinate bond. Okay, so in this d 1d empty orbitals excited state. Okay, these donate electrons also use a 4s empty orbitals and 4p to form a dsp3 hybridization. Okay, so here atomic overlap, atomic orbital overlap in formation of pentacarbonyl ion. Okay, so here diagrammatically represent 3d is a ground state electronic configuration. After they excite, after promote because of incoming strong field ligand. Okay, so these energy provides to form say this pair of electron. Okay, so in this excited state they form say dsp3. In order to explain observed geometry of pentacarbonyl iron compound, is suggest that 3d z square 4s and 4px 4py 4pz orbitals on iron atom mix and forms a 5 dsp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay, so the dsp3 hybridization of iron atom is shown in there in this figure. Okay, so one 4s spherical type of orbitals involves plus 4px 4py 4pz and 3dz square orbitals overlap, mix and recasting to form say dsp3 types of hybridized orbitals. Okay, so this forms a structure of pentacarbonyl iron. Okay, so this is the trigonal bipyramidal type of structure, iron pentacarbonyl. Here two set of axial and three set of equatorial orbitals. Okay, so here represent a axial and equatorial set of orbitals. So dsp3 hybridization occurs and equatorial three set carbonyl such as s px py orbitals are used, and axial two axial involves a pz and dz square orbital. Okay, two ligand incoming a axial and three equivalent ligand carbonyl planar forms in equatorial. Okay, to form a trigonal bipyramidal geometry in pentacarbonyl iron complex. Similarly, in dsp3 or sp3d types of hybridization. So next lecture we discuss a octahedral complex. Okay, hybridization of octahedral complex and summary of hybrid orbitals and its hybridization. Okay, so now today we are stop here. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.